You are going to love the 2015 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, tow hitch, DVD system, power steering, four-wheel drive, keyless start, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, intermittent wipers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.